Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust on Roblox. Many talented creators have developed games on the Roblox platform that capture the essence of the popular survival game, Rust. These experiences offer similar gameplay loops, focusing on resource gathering, crafting, and player versus player combat. It is important to remember these are community-made games, not direct ports, but they provide a fantastic way to enjoy the genre. To begin your journey, simply open the Roblox application and navigate to the Games section. Use the search bar to type in terms like Rust or survival game to find various community-created experiences. Pay attention to the player count and overall ratings to select a popular and well-maintained server. Once you have chosen, click to join and immerse yourself in the world. Once you are in the game, your first priority is survival. Start by gathering basic resources such as wood from trees and stone from rocks. These materials are crucial for crafting your initial tools, like a stone axe or pickaxe, and basic weapons. Soon, you will want to construct a small base to store your items safely and provide a secure place to respawn after inevitable encounters. As you progress, consider forming alliances with other players. Teamwork can be vital for raiding larger bases or defending your own. Always familiarize yourself with the specific rules of the server you are playing on, as they can vary significantly. Many games also offer unique features or different game modes, so explore and find what you enjoy most for endless hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.